By now, I'm sure that you know that Google has a big selection of different AI tools that help with so many different things, including helping people start a one-person business. NotebookLM is one of their recent ones that I've been using, and it's interesting in the way that it works. And in today's video, I want to break it down. I want to explain exactly what it is and how you could potentially use it if you're someone that is either currently running a one-person business or maybe you're thinking about starting one. And of course, everything I'm going to talk about in this video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm just giving you guys my own experience, my own opinions as to what I've been able to do when it comes to building up all of these different internet-based businesses and utilizing AI to help me along the way. So before I jump into NotebookLM, let me just quickly define what a one-person business is for those of you out there that might be confused. And it's quite simple really. It's a business that doesn't require staff, employees, freelancers. You're going to be able to do it all by yourself, and it's essentially a solo person business. And the way that you're going to be able to run it is going to be with various different AI tools. And there's a specific way that NotebookLM is going to be able to fit in a one-person business. And I'm going to walk you through that today. So that's basically what a one-person business is. You don't need anyone else. You're going to be able to do it with a simple laptop and an internet connection. But the question that you're probably thinking right now is, Sam, how does NotebookLM compare to all of the other AI tools that are out there? We've got Google AI Studio, we've got Google Gemini, we've got ChatGPT, DeepSeek, the list goes on and on. And that's a question that I had to ask myself. And again, I've been using it now for the past month or so. And I would say that the main difference between this one and the other ones is that you're able to give it the foundational information that it needs. And it's never going to forget the information that you gave it. So that means that whenever you have a conversation, even if it's a day later, 2 days later, a week, a month, or a year, it's always going to refer back to that initial information. I'm sure by now you know how ChatGPT works, and even though yes, it's a powerful tool, there's times where you might be having a conversation with it, you've told it a specific thing, but a week later, it's kind of forgotten it and it's giving you answers that don't really relate to what you're asking it. And if you do use ChatGPT on a regular basis, maybe you're a paying customer, then you're probably familiar with the GPT store or just being able to build your own GPT. So NotebookLM is very similar to that, but the only difference is with the GPT store, you're going to have to pay for it. And this one, you're going to be able to use it for completely free. So this is the homepage right here. All you need is a Google account, Gmail account, and you're going to be able to click this and it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. So straight away, I'm sure that you can tell that it's completely different from ChatGPT. When you click into it, instantly you're presented with a message box or a chat box where you ask all of your questions, enter your prompts. But with this one, you're going to have to upload a document, or you're going to have to link your Google Workspace, Google Drive, paste text, or paste a link to a website. And that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to paste a link to a website that I was able to build. It's a dropshipping website where I'm able to automatically fulfill my orders with the help of AutoDS, and I was able to build that store using an AI store builder. This is the store right here. It's a pet store. I didn't have to do anything that you can see on the screen. The AI store builder took care of all of that, and all of these different winning products, all of these different products that are on this website were linked to it with the help of tools like AutoDS. So this is going to be the premise of what I'm going to be showing you. For those of you that maybe have your own website, maybe you've built your own store, maybe you're already shipping out orders, or maybe you haven't started shipping out orders yet, but you want to be able to use AI tools like NotebookLM to help you make things a little bit more efficient, this video is definitely going to be valuable. And if you're watching this right now thinking, Sam, I don't have my store, how exactly can I get one built? There's a number of different ways that you can do it. I'm just going to quickly run you through one of the quickest ways that you can get a step-by-step plan to help you when it comes to getting an idea of what store is going to be best for you and your own situation. So this is a Google Gemini dropshipping prompt maker. I'm going to leave it down below, completely free to use. It's going to take you through a few different multiple choice questions. And at the end of it, you're going to get a prompt that you're going to copy and paste into Google Gemini. So let's work on it together. It's going to take a few minutes. So question 1 is, what type of store are you most interested in creating? I'm going to say pet store for the sake of this video because that's the one that I've already built. Question 2 is, what kind of product do you want to focus on? I'm going to say everyday items. Question 3 is, how many Shopify blog articles can you publish per week? I'm going to say that I can use AI because it helps me publish faster. Question 4 is, what is your goal with dropshipping? For me, it's to build a long-term brand. And the final question is, what is your current experience with dropshipping. I'm going to say that I've had success. Now I want to get SEO traffic, and I'm going to click on submit. Okay, great. So once you get to this point, it's going to give you this prompt. You're just going to copy all of it just like that. And you're going to go over to Google Gemini. You're going to paste it in there just like this, and then click on submit. And instantly Google Gemini should come back with all of the details that you need when it comes to the steps that you need to take, the best domains, the best way to build your store, the best winning products, the best way to market your store, just everything that you need when it comes to being successful with this one person business. So you can either use Google Gemini, you can use ChatGPT. As a matter of fact, I recently made a completely free course where in that course, I show you step by step how I built this pet store from scratch using a similar method to what I just showed you. And all of the steps that I took when it came to sorting out the back end of the store, making sure that I loaded it with proven winning products from AutoDS, the process of importing products from sites like AliExpress, picking the best supplier possible, using all of AutoDS's AI features when it comes to listing products with the right title, the right description, the right images, and just being able to do things efficiently. So that's what I show you in the free course. But for those of you that now understand what you can do when it comes to building your one-person business, if we just circle back to NotebookLM, now that I've got this site up and running, let's assume that I wanted to use NotebookLM to help me with a couple different things. One of the initial steps that I need to take is to go back over to the homepage. And to find this, you're just going to type in notebooklm.google. It's going to take you directly to this page. From there, once again, you just need to click on try NotebookLM. And once it takes you to this page, there's one main thing that you need to do, which is to paste the links from your newly built site. So if I just go back over to it, I'm just going to first copy the home page just like this, and I'm going to paste it in there. Then what I'm going to do is get the URL for the actual page where all of the different products are. I'm going to paste it in there, and then I'm going to click on insert. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, it's now taking me over to this interface where it now understands what my business is about, because I've given it the home page, I've given it the product page, and essentially I'm now going to be able to ask it any question, questions that's going to help me progress my business even further. Because you have to think about it like this, NotebookLM is a Google product, and Google is the biggest website search engine in the entire world. And because it's the biggest search engine, they got so much data when it comes to various different things on the internet that you can now use to help you put money in your pocket. And to show you exactly what I'm talking about, I'm just going to enter this first initial prompt where it says, can you list all the products from my website? So I just want to make sure that it's able to do it correctly and it's able to give me the entire list. Okay, perfect. So right there, as you guys can see, it's now giving me an entire list of all of the different products that's currently on my website right now. So we already know that things are working as they should. So now that you've got a general idea of how this works, I'm going to move on to one of the next prompts, which is, what are the 5 best products on this store that would do well with Shopify blogs on Google search? So I'm just going to enter this and let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so it's now been able to identify all of these different items that it thinks will do well. This electric pet grooming kit, it's also letting me know that this wireless dog fence will do well with Google blog articles, and there's a couple other items. And for those of you that are thinking, but Sam, why exactly did you ask it about Shopify blog articles and ranking on Google? What's all this about? Well, that's a good question. The thing is, there's multiple different dropshipping stores on Google right now, where what they're doing is that they are publishing Shopify blog articles that are completely free to do, that is allowing them to get free traffic, that's also probably bringing them revenues and potential profits. And this is something that I actually show in my free course. I show you how you can use various different AI tools when it comes to automating Shopify blog articles being published every single day without you having to lift a finger. But there's a certain way that you can use NotebookLM when it comes to doing things a little bit more manual. Maybe you're a beginner that's trying to understand how everything works. So one of the next prompts that I'm going to type in is going to be, can you give me the top 10 articles to write for this product? And I'm just going to let's pick this one over here. We're going to go with the first one that it came back with. I'm just going to copy it like that, paste it in there like that. And I'm also going to add, I want to know the articles that will do well in Google search. So That's the prompt that I'm going to enter into NotebookLM, and I'm going to click on enter. And there we have it. These are the top 10 article ideas for this specific product. It's giving me all of the different titles. It's giving me all of the different SEO keywords. And by the way, this is the product that we're working with right now. And bear in mind, because it has the information of my store, it's got the information from the homepage, it's got the brand name, it's got the products that I'm selling, it knows, a lot about my store simply by inserting the links. I can somewhat trust the information that it's giving me. Of course, I may want to go away, double check the article titles to make sure that people are actually searching for them. But because it is a Google product and it knows my store based on the information that I provided it, I now know which articles are most likely going to do well. But now that I've got this information, what I'm now going to be able to do, and what you can also do as well, is take this information and insert it into your automation tool, the automation sequence that I mentioned in the free course, so that from there, all the articles are going to be published automatically. And NotebookLM doesn't just end there when it comes to helping you get potential customers, because if you're someone that wanted to run these different Shopify blog articles in combination with, let's say, some sort of content, maybe Facebook ads, you can go onto it and enter this prompt and it's going to be able to assist you. So firstly, I'm just going to say, what are the top 5 products on my store that will do well with Facebook ads? I'm going to click on enter. Let's see what it's able to come back with. Okay, so this is the complete list. As you can see, the 4-in-1 electric pet groomer again, the steam brush, dog paw cleaner, and it's also letting me know that this automatic retractable dog leash is also a good option. If I just go back over to the store that I was able to build, as we can see, this is the item that it's talking about. And don't forget, all of these different products that's on this store and it's on the one that you're going to build are going to be connected to AutoDS. So you don't have to buy the inventory yourself whenever a sale has been made. AutoDS is going to make sure that they ship it directly to your customer in terms of providing the supplier with all of the information, the customer's name, their address, their email address, the item that they ordered. So it's pretty hands-free, but this is the product that NotebookLM is saying is going to do well on Facebook ads. So if I just go back over to it, I'm just going to now enter this prompt, and I'm going to say if it can give me a prompt to enter into InVideo AI, which is a video maker, so that it can make a Facebook reel ad, and I want it to give me a 500 character prompt. So hopefully it's able to do it. Let's give it a second. Okay, so it's come back with this prompt. I'm going to be able to copy it like this. I'm just going to copy it from here. And what I'm going to do is go over to InVideo. By the way, there's going to be a link to this in my description. Now, InVideo is, a very interesting tool because you don't need to physically have the product. You're going to be able to make AI generated videos where you can upload an image of the product and it's going to be able to use it in the video. So if I just come over here and click on the products that I've already uploaded, these are the different products that I've uploaded to my InVideo account. And we can see that I've already uploaded the dog leash already. And with InVideo, as you can see, they've got all of these different actors that you can choose from. So if you want to have a specific gender, a specific age, a specific demographic, you can go through this entire list and select any one of them. In this video, what I'm going to do is select this woman over here. So I'm just going to select her just like this. And I'm going to also select the product. And I'm just going to enter the prompt that I got from NotebookLM. Just like this, and I'm going to change this to 15 seconds and I'm going to click on generate my video. And there we go. That took a few minutes for it to build because it is a unique video that doesn't exist on the internet anywhere else, but it's done a really good job. And this all came from the prompt that I got from NotebookLM. So what I'm going to do, and what I always do, is just play the video just so that you guys can get an idea as to the quality of the video that you're going to be able to go away and make yourself if you did want to use something like InVideo. So let's click on play.
This retractable leash gives you total control and freedom. Watch the smooth glide action and one-touch lock, perfect for any adventure with your pup. Get yours today and transform your walks.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm sure that you guys are blown away at what it was able to do. And that's the whole point of this video and my channel, generally speaking, to show you how you can use all of these different AI tools together. We've got NotebookLM that understands my business because I gave it all of the different links, the links to the homepage, the product page. So I can now use it as an assistant, ask it any question, and it's going to be able to use the power of Google to give me the best answer. There's also other AI tools out there like the AI store builder that I can use as well. That's going to build an entire store for me, load it with winning products from AutoDS. And there's tools like InVideo AI that's going to be able to generate AI UGC style videos with actors that look realistic, that I can now go over to Facebook and run a $5, $10 per day ad so that I can start generating traffic. In the times that we're living in right now, there's no real excuse when it comes to being able to get a one-person business off the ground. You don't need a big team, you don't need staff. As long as you've got your laptop and internet connection, maybe a few dollars here and there, you're going to be able to build a business that can be automated. Even when you're at work, when you're sleeping, when you're at the gym, you're going to be able to have an online business. Fingers crossed, hopefully bringing you revenues and profits. But yeah, for the most part, that's what I wanted to show you in today's video. If you've learned anything, you found any value in this, press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. Don't forget, I've got a completely free course where I break all of this down in detail in a click-by-click format. You're going to be able to find that in the top link in the description down below. If you also wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some of my favorite AI tools that are working right now as we speak, you're going to be able to click that video right there, watch that straight after this. It's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it can help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.